Hello everyone, we're here at this mall. I don't know what's the name of this mall. We went to Winners and yeah, the kids are here. Is lip sleeping mask. I did use Laneige. I had the pack of little ones, the like different flavors. Also the big ones, like I used the vanilla. It was alright. So I saw this one at Winners. This one looks almost similar. I don't know how good this is, but yeah, I just wanted to give this a try. So I pick one of these. This was only for, there's two different flavors. One is cherry blossom and the other one is berry, which is nice because I am going to use this one a lot because of the start getting really chapped during, especially during pregnancy. So that's why I just wanted to have more option of moisturizing my lips. So the Laneige is almost done. I wanted to give this one a try. So here is these. I like how these are like great sizes and these are super affordable than the Laneige. Obviously that one, if you get one, it's for like almost 50, 34 or something. Mommy! I'm gonna give this one a try. This is how it looks. It smells really good too. So let me give this a try. I do have the little spatula, but I'm just gonna use my finger. I think it's nice, but a bit stronger, and you can taste the sweetness of the flavor, which is okay. Yeah, it is a bit stronger, so for sure. If you're someone that doesn't like strong scent and don't wanna taste the flavor, then it's not for you. This one was for $7.99. It says moisturized lipsticks, but I did use one. It felt like dry, not moisturized at all. It was just matte. That's how I felt. So I'm gonna show you guys. I really like the colors. I like how these are like really fun colors. So gorgeous. It is a Beauty Concepts. That's the brand. Wow, this is the shade. It's like a bright pink. Yeah, obviously this is on top of the lip balm, the sleeping mask that I used. But yeah, it's not bad for the price that I got. And there's one more thing. I got everything for my lips. So this one is the Beauty Concept as well, same brand. Yeah, but this one has like two liquid lipsticks and two lip liners. I really like the shades. I'm gonna wipe this and show you guys one of this. So I'm gonna line my lips with this. I don't really get from Winners lip liner, like makeup products, but this time I just wanted to give it a try. It is dry. I don't really like it, but let me check the liquid lipstick. I love the shade. This is not bad. I really like the liquid lipsticks, but the lip liners are not good. I do not like it. I also got this one from Winners. This is just a travel size. It's great to have in my hospital bag because I do have eyeshadow palettes, but they're all big, and this is a great size. So this was for $6.99, and I really like the shades as well. They're like mostly neutral. And then these are the shades. I'm just gonna see. This is how it's super, like, I don't know if you guys can see, that's a shimmer, and I love this matte. It's not bad for the price that I got this one for $6.99. Yeah, it's gonna be good for one day. So I'll add this to my makeup bag as well. So for the baby, this is Hello Bello in the it's Hello Bello soft lavender. It doesn't have any scent. This is awesome shampoo and wash, so you can use for the entire body, for the head and for the body. So I really like this brand. This is, by the way, made in Canada. Yeah, so I really like this. I got this for the baby. I'm going to refill one of these. This, because this is too big for me to take it. Yeah, maybe this one because it has a. I'll add some in here and put it in the baby's toiletry. Other day I couldn't turn it on, but yeah, it was out of battery, so I did charge it, and now I can show you guys the like the light. So you just have to unlock it, and then this button over here is for the light. Yeah, so this is great that you get light, and also here is the power button. Yeah, I really like it. Yeah, I really like it. I think it's super cute, and the baby will love it too. Yeah, I like how this one has a light as well, and you can hang it on the stroller or in your backpack or in his on her crib. Like, this is very nice. And I got this one from Amazon. It was 20%. Yeah, 20% off, which was $19.99. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the vlog.